Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is level measurement. Let's start. First we know what is level. Level is the height of a liquid or solid contained in a vessel above a reference or bottom line. Level measurements one of the oldest of all measurements. The measurements of liquid level is of greatest importance in the industrial field. The level may affect both the pressure and the rate of flow in and out of the tank or vessel. Hence, the quality may be affected. Level measurement. Level measurement is very necessary in process industry. Level measurement is defined as the linear distance between the top surface of a liquid or solid and a predetermined surface point like in a tank or a vessel. It is measured in meter or percentage of the maximum level. Types of level measurement. Level measurement is divided into two main categories. One is direct method and second is indirect method. Direct method. This is the simplest method of level measurement in which actual level is monitored by means of following methods: side glass/gauge glass, B. float type level gauge, third displacer type level gauges, and fourth dipsticks. Indirect method of level measurement is also called differential method. In this method, some other physical parameters such as pressure, weight, or temperature is used for level measurements by means of following methods. Number 1. Hydrostatic pressure method, differential pressure level detector, capacitance type level detector, radiation type level detector, ultrasonic type level detectors, radar type level detectors, and laser type level detectors. Side glass or gauge glass. A side glass consists of a graduated tube of toughened glass which is connected to the interior of the tank at the bottom, in which the water level required. When it is desired to measure a liquid level with the liquid under pressure or vacuum, the side glass should be connected at the top as well as at the bottom. Its advantages are direct reading, while disadvantages are local indication only, affected by whether and cleanliness of liquid is required. In this picture, we see some side glass and gauge glasses. Float type and float type level gauges. Float operated level indicator is used to measure liquid level in tank in which a float rests on the liquid surface and follows the liquid level changing. The movement of the float is transmitted to a pointer through a suitable mechanism which indicates the level on a calibrated scale. Advantages are low cost and easy to read. Disadvantages are measurement depend on the tank shape. In this picture, we see a float type level gauges. Displacer type level gauges. Displacer type detector work on Archimedes principles, which state that a body wholly or partially immersed in fluid is buoyant by force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. It is called displacer because its purpose is to displace liquid. A force measuring mechanism senses changes in the buoyant force and converts this force into an indication of level. Advantages are high accuracy and reliable in clean fluid. Disadvantages are limited range and high cost. There is a picture of displacer type level gauge. Dipsticks. Dipsticks offer a simple means of measuring level approximately. An ordinary dipstick is the cheapest device available. This consists of a metal bar on which a scale is etched. It is fixed at a known position in a vessel or container. Level measurement is made by means of removing it from that place and that how much liquid is present in it. A common example is dipstick of bike and cars for engine oil check. Advantages are it is cheap, easy design, and quick result. Disadvantages are no remote reading and need to remove from place for checking level. There is a picture of a dipstick. Hydrostatic pressure method. Hydrostatic pressure measurement for the level is such that the measured pressure is proportional to the height of liquid in the tank irrespective of volume. P is equal to rho GH, where P is equal to pressure, rho is relative density of the fluid, G is acceleration due to gravity, and H is equal to height. It measures the pressure caused by the weight of the liquid directly on top of it. Pressure gauge method, air bellows, air per system, and liquid per system are types of hydrostatic pressure method. Advantages are simple, easy to install, and just. Disadvantages are high cost. There is a picture of hydrostatic pressure method. Differential pressure level detector. In this design of level detector, the difference in pressure acts on a capsule or diaphragm and result in a force. The resistance to this force provides the means for detection. The calculation of the force span at 100% is HP minus LP. 0 at 0% is equal to HP minus LP. In level applications, the high pressure sensor HP means the hydrostatic pressure. The low pressure sensor means the head pressure. There is a picture of differential pressure level detector. Capacitance type level detectors. The principle of operation of capacitance level indicator is based upon the familiar capacitance equation of parallel plate capacitor given by C is equal to K into A over D, where C is capacitance in farad, K is dielectric constant, A is area of plate in cubic meter, and D is the distance between two plates. It consists of an insulated capacitance probe family fixed near and parallel to the metal wall of the tank. If the liquid in the tank is not conductive, the capacitance probe and the tank wall from the plate of a parallel plate capacitor and liquid between them act as the dielectric. If the liquid is conductive, the insulation of the capacitance probe will act as the dielectric. There is a picture of capacitance type level detector. Radiation type level detector. Radiation level detectors are used where other electrical methods would not survive. It consists of gamma rays source holder on one side of the tank and a gamma detector on the other side. The gamma rays from the source are directed towards the detector in a thin band of radiation. Advantages are no physical contact with process, good for high temperature, and have good accuracy. Disadvantages are affected by density change, heavy source holder, and high cost. There is a picture of radiation type level detector. Ultrasonic type level detector. It consists of a source, which is an oscillator type ultrasonic speaker and receiver in most design. Is a metal disc which is both electrically and mechanically resonant. The transducer can be mounted either under or above the liquid level. The principle of working of this unit is very similar to that of the echometer such used to measure the well depth. A blank shell is fired. The time needed for the echo to return is converted to the indication of the depth. Advantages are high accuracy and detects a range of material irrespective of their surface or color. Disadvantages are high cost and very sensitive to temperature. There is a picture of ultrasonic type level detector. Radar type level detector. Radar level measurement uses electromagnetic waves, typically in the microwave X band 10 GHz, to make continuous liquid level measurement. The radar sensor is mounted in the top of the vessel and is aimed down perpendicular to the liquid surface. This casts the signal that is reflected from the surface to the return directly to the sensor. Its advantages is accurate and reliable measurement, and disadvantages are high cost. There is a picture of radar type level detector. Laser type detectors. Laser type level measurements depend on the accurate detection of the time it takes for a light pulse to travel to the process material surface and back. In this sense, the laser level measurement is similar to ultrasonic and radar. Advantages are high directivity due to laser beam and good work in dusty environment. Disadvantages is its high cost. There is a picture of laser type detectors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos.